Let's make Crown Apple Jello shots. You'll need a box of Sonic Green Apple Gelatin, a bottle of Crown Apple, 2-ounce plastic cups with lids, and Green Apple Gummy Rings. Add your gelatin to a heat-safe large measuring cup or a bowl. The easiest way to boil the water is in an electric kettle, but if you don't have one, you can use your stovetop. Once it's boiled, add it to your gelatin. Whisk until the gelatin is fully dissolved. Add the Crown Apple, then whisk again until it is well mixed. Carefully pour into your plastic cups. I like to line them up on a baking sheet or in a glass baking dish so that I can move them to the fridge easily and keep them level. Chill for at least 2 hours or until gelatin is set. Top with a gummy ring right before serving and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.